Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Wishing all of you a very happy new year, a very happy 2022. Today I have with me three products, and these three products come under an anti-acne kit, and this is from the brand Mystique Living. Okay, I was looking online for some nice anti-acne products because in winters also sometimes I get acne, especially on this side of my face, and that might be because of using, scarves or stoles near my face because we have to cover our ears as well. So I might be getting acne because of that. So I was looking online to get something nice and something nice and very natural, non-toxic. I stumbled upon this brand and thought about giving it a shot. Mystique Living is an Indian brand, and this brand basically deals with products regarding skincare and hair care. You can check the website. I'll put the link in the description box. You can go and check the website, and you'll definitely like this. Now, regarding these three products, and as I told you, these three products are for your acne. The key ingredient in these three products is green tea, and we all know green tea is very good for our skin. It doesn't matter whether you drink green tea or you apply green tea on your face, it's going to help you in any and every case. And especially if you have pigmented skin, green tea helps in removing pigmentation, and also if you have acne or acne marks, green tea helps in reducing that. Okay, so let's talk about the products in this kit one by one. The first product, and this is the Mystique Living toner and face mist, and this says that this will deeply cleanse your face, tighten pores and hydrate. It's especially meant for oily and acne prone skin, and the main ingredient, as I told you, is green tea. This 200 ml of product retails for 399 rupees, and this is a plastic bottle, and this comes in the form of a spray. Okay, so this has an amazing fragrance. To be very honest, the fragrance is very nice and refreshing. This says clarity, and we all know that, I mean, I'm repeating myself, I suppose, but green tea we all know gives you a clearer and a fairer complexion. Also, this has gotu kola and tea tree. Tea tree oil helps in getting rid of acne causing bacteria. Gotu kola helps in giving you a firmer and tighter kind of a skin texture. I have already told you this, that these three products are free from harmful chemicals, parabens and sulfates. They have natural ingredients and they have a natural fragrance also, no artificial fragrance at all. Okay, so let's just quickly see a demo of this one.
You can spray this directly on your face and neck, or you can moisten a cotton pad with it and sweep gently across over the face and neck. Let it air dry, do not be in a rush to wipe it off. And also, you can use this refreshing face mist any time of the day. This is very gentle on skin and this won't cause any redness or any kind of irritation.
So this is the second product, and this is the Mystique Living Clarity Face Mask, and this is anti-acne. This clarifies skin and fades marks and scars. You know what is more depressing than an acne? It's the scar that is left behind, because that scar takes months and months to go. So this green tea infused face pack will make sure that your scars say bye bye quite soon. This has green tea, neem, tulsi and manjistha, and this 100 grams of product retails for 549 rupees. As this has neem and basil, and neem and basil are extremely they have revitalizing properties for, especially for acne prone skin. Manjistha also helps in reducing the growth of acne causing bacteria, and this has green tea. Green tea is very good for people who have oily skin, because green tea kind of removes the excess sebum which is produced on skin. Inside this box you'll get these two small leaflets which kind of tell you about this brand and all. You can know everything about this brand. Okay, so this is the face pack, if you can see. This has a nice earthy kind of a fragrance. I like this kind of mild kind of fragrances. I like a lot. So let's just see a quick demo of this as well.
You have to cleanse your face and neck thoroughly and then apply this mask evenly on your face and neck. And this will dry off in 10 to 15 minutes depending on the amount of pack you have applied. If your pack is thick, it will take a little time to dry off because it's winters. If it is thin, it will dry off very quickly. And even after washing my face wasn't dry at all. It was looking nice and fresh. And there was no redness. Yeah.
This This is the third product, and this is the Mystique Living Specials Clarity Day and Night Gel. This claims to give you a clarified skin, sebum balance, and also this is anti-acne. This has green tea extract, this has neem, this has basil, this has lavender essential oil, this has chamomile oil, this has vitamin E, this has grapefruit extract, this has a lot of good ingredients. So this is for people who have combination to oily skin to acne prone skin. This has chamomile oil, and chamomile oil helps in removing acne scars, and this also fades age spots. And this also has tea tree oil, which will definitely help in killing out all the harmful bacteria. Okay, I think I forgot to mention this. 50 grams of product retails for 499 rupees. Okay, you can see this kind of jiggles. This has a very nice texture. This feels like, you know, like a jelly kind of a texture this has. So let's just see a demo of this one quick.
Okay, so this is the day and night gel, and this has a very nice texture. And just take a little gel and warm it up a little, and you have to massage this on your skin until it gets fully absorbed. And you can use this twice a day for best results. And this is very non-greasy and non-oily. I mean, this will be very good for people who have extremely oily skin. So this is very good, and this feels very light on skin. As you can see, my skin is not looking oily at all.
This has an amazing fragrance. This smells like a flower, I suppose. This has an amazing fragrance. So yes, so yeah, so these are the three products which you can try. You know, if you have acne prone skin, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, you can try this. If you buy these three things together, as I purchased from Amazon, you'll be getting a discount over it. I'll put the link in the description box. You can definitely go and check it, and you can try this. You can try either one of these, or you can try these three as a kit, because I think using these three as a kit will be way more beneficial. Like, first you can use the toner, and then after cleaning out your face with the toner, you can use the face mask, and then after removing the face mask, you can use this night gel. You can use this as a 3-step procedure, or you can buy this individually and use them. It's your choice. But yeah, so I would suggest you to definitely give this a try. If you want to get rid of it, everybody wants to get rid of their acne. So if you want to get rid of your acne, you should definitely give this a shot. One more thing I would like to say over here is that if you have dry skin, and as these ingredients have tea tree oil, so your face can feel a little itchy, I would say, after applying this, which is absolutely normal, because if you have dry skin, tea tree is going to react, but that won't cause any kind of redness or irritation. Because I have dry skin, and when I applied this on my face, there was a little tingling sensation, but as you saw, there was no redness or nothing. So it won't harm your skin, but yes, if you have dry skin, the tea tree might cause a little tingling sensation, which is normal. That won't harm your skin. So if you feel that, do not be in a haste to remove the pack or remove the toner, because that's absolutely normal. You don't have to worry about it. Do give these three things a try, and do let me know whether these worked for you or not. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.